For these few minutes, let me kidnap your attention for these few minutes, so I will share this little information with you people for here. It be something where, first of all, it be difficult to TV topic there now. Something they happen where it be like you people know they give ear, or maybe they really they give attention, or yes, attention to that, and we have realized it, and we want to like put it across and make we see say it be something where it really be necessary. Say we go put one eye, or we go put one thoughts on it as well. You see, over the years, Wale has been the artist who has done so many diss songs to so many brands. I mean, any brand where you go step on into there, into you go step back. That one there, we not go take it away from him. You see, and he be one artist way, like I don't know. We don't know what we go do about for him, especially when it comes to Chatterhouse and VGMA them are things. Shatawale, they lead the pace as the only artist we in this Chatterhouse and the VGMA pass any other artist for Ghana here. Like in terms of recording songs, these songs for them. The thing be say, anyhow the thing go look like. I could go search the Akroma said dang, and yen fed da. You see, anything VGM go do, Wale goes enter studio for them. Even if it dey hold Puma, Wale dey hold Puma, where they feel walk. It dey do it be pocho apache safe. He go enter studio for VGMA. If any other person fine, but even if Wale dey on the sick bed, God forbid, he no go sick too. If he dey on the sick bed way, he no if he do anything safe, he go enter studio for VGMA, Vodafone Ghana Music Award Boards. And I mean, it has been like that. It be so way the thing day. Just I can read some one or two before you. Then I mean the previous these songs we it do for them then things. Then after we will give you the latest one to where it can drop for them. No, you see, these posts they come from Bilal Larry. He say Shatawale and VGMA. Them no give award you this. They give you award you this. Then ban you this. Then list band another this. I swear, unless these people come off for Ghana. Oh, yes, that be what the boy they post safe. So which means before Wale go make like go be silence on these songs for these people unless they come off for Ghana here. Now the latest one where they can drop, if they drop them on Friday, the song title be Lift. I be the lift band on them. So now lift song title. You see, when we dey talk like this, mostly when we dey talk like this, it's good. It's good say we dey talk. Oh. But you see, as I dey talk, I only dey pinpoint these songs and blah 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 blah. That be how it is. I won't make you see maybe another aspect of it. How we foresee in another eye or in another way. Like, okay, why are we not focusing on the creative aspect as well? you know, the creativity behind these songs. These songs, most of them are monster hit songs. Me no need the award, Charterhouse, me no need the award. You see, as I start, you know already. Anybody in Ghana here go fit sing that song. Everybody. So let's see the creative aspect of it as well. Shatta Wale is one of the creative artists we have we have ever produced as a nation. He's one of the best when you come to creativity. He's so dope. He gets you exactly what you wanted and how he delivers on point. If you really look at Shatta Wale very well, you will see that even all these songs to other artists and other brands and all that, you know, they just wake up and enter studio keke. Because when you listen to the song, you feel the energy behind it, where you see say yes, this song, the mood, he enters into the mood and deliver well. So even if you listen to this song against even you still like it. You go still love the song, and you go still, maybe you go hate the person, yes, because he has a problem with you, but you go still love the song. So you see the creative aspect of it. He's very creative. For one person to give more than 6 letters to Samini and other people, it's not a joke. It's not a joke. Nah, it be something really serious. Shatta Wale's creativity inside him is, to me I see say we they underrate the creative aspect of this guy. We they underrate it. You see, most of the time we put our energy on the negative aspect. You see, by what are the one we could do be say, when somebody they do something or when somebody they talk something, we for just listen. And when you listen, we go now digest the whole thing and come out with the negative ones and then the positive ones as well. So when we talk, we know what to talk. We know what to talk at some point. Shatta Wale is very creative. Aside everything you could talk, he's very, very creative. That is why I'm sure that is what is keeping him going, because even if he diss you or maybe if he talk ill about you and you go like, who is this guy? Let me check him out. You check him out and you think maybe you want to get like wax songs that you can, bully him with, and you go in there and then Charlie, you get dope tunes. You make like, then you go either, in that case you go stand for Nkwanta. Then you turn either you don't know what you do for 10 fan or you for 10 hitter or whatever, That's how it is. That's how it has been since. So big up Shatta Wale every time. But then this song there, if we keep it coming with the beef nations, with the one town, keep them coming. We are keeping records of all these songs, not from only you as an artist, but from other people as well. We are keeping all the records. Beef Nation people, we they keep them. We keep the records. We keep the records. So we ain't leaving it. We know we are not leaving it at all. We are keeping it big time. We're keeping it real. Keep subscribing and then keep watching our videos, our content. And please, most important thing, keep sharing. I know you guys are doing great. You are sharing the works to other people, and now I can see that the views are now coming from some countries that I'm not even expecting. So which means that you guys are doing a great job for the Devcado TV, and I'll commend you guys very soon. I'll start mentioning names of people who normally constant viewers, constant people who share our works on social media and all that. I'll start giving you shout outs in our videos and in our audio, like content wise. I will give you shout outs in our content like that. Big up yourselves every time. Big up yourself every time.